Students, today we are going to discuss the question number 4 and 5 of exercise 10.1. Question number 4 is, what is the length of wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 cm and 21 cm respectively? In this question, length and breadth of the photograph is given to you, which are 32 and 21 cm respectively. And we are asked to find out the length of wooden strip required to frame a photograph. As we know that we are always framing a photograph from the outer side, right? And the outer boundary of any shape is called as a perimeter. So how much length of wooden strip we require to frame a photograph? Same as the perimeter of photograph. So here you can see that I have written here length of wooden strip is same as perimeter of photograph. And as the length and breadth of photograph is given to you, we can use the formula twice length plus breadth. Now length is 32 and breadth is 21 cm. So substitute the value here in the place of length and breadth. Now 32 plus 21 comes 53 and 2 times 53 is 106. So the perimeter of photograph is 106 cm, which is same as the length of wooden strip. So how much length of wooden strip we require to frame a photograph? 106 cm, right? Now come to the question number 5. A rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 km by 0.5 km. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wires. So what is the length of wire needed? In this question, a rectangular piece of land is given to you whose length and breadth are given, which are 0.7 km and 0.5 km, right? And what we are asked to find out? The length of wire needed for fencing. Now again we know that fencing we are always doing at the outer side of any shape, right? So length of wire required for fencing is same as the perimeter of land. So to find out the length of wire required, we need to find out the perimeter of land first, right? So here I am going to find out the perimeter of field, or you can say that perimeter of land. Again length and breadth is given to you. So we can use the formula twice length plus breadth. Now length is 0.7 km and breadth is 0.5 km. So I have substituted the value in place of length and breadth. Now 0.7 plus 0.5 comes 1.2 and 2 times 1.2 is 2.4 km. So the perimeter of land is 2.4 km. But one more point is given to you in the question, that each side is to be fenced with 4 rows. Since each side is to be fenced with 4 rows, means there are 4 rounds of wire around the land. It means we have to multiply by 4 to the perimeter. So when we multiply by 4 to the perimeter, we got 9.6. It means total perimeter of land is 9.6 km. So as the perimeter of land is 9.6 km, so how much wire we require for fencing the land? We require 9.6 km wire for fencing the land.